We recommend everyone have their air conditioner tuned up once per year, and one of the easiest ways to keep up with your service is through a maintenance plan. This video will talk about what Fire and Ice does during an AC tune-up with our fantastic maintenance plan. Hi, I'm Jared with Fire and Ice. It's recommended everyone have their air conditioner tuned up once per year to make sure it'll be able to keep up with the demands of the summer. While most people will have their air conditioner maintenance done before summer, it can be done any time of the year. Many of our customers enjoy the convenience and value of one of our maintenance plans. At Fire and Ice, we offer 3 maintenance plan levels: better, best, and fantastic. In this video, we'll go over everything that is done during our fantastic maintenance plan. You may ask yourself, why does my air conditioner need maintenance? Before we get into what's done during our fantastic tune-up, let's take a minute to see why your air conditioner needs maintenance in the first place. Just like changing the oil in your car or getting your tires rotated, your air conditioner requires annual maintenance to operate as long and as best as possible. We suggest having your maintenance done before the cooling season to ensure your air conditioner won't break down in the middle of the summer. Maintenance is also done to detect any problems before they become a larger, more expensive one later down the road. A regularly maintained air conditioner will keep it running longer, maintain efficiency levels, help keep energy bills consistent, and is needed to maintain manufacturer warranties. Whether your air conditioner was recently installed or has been cooling your home for several years, it's important to have your air conditioner serviced once per year. Before we move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, please like this video and leave a comment once you're done. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. It's always important to understand why something is done. Now let's take a look at what we do during our fantastic air conditioner tune-up. On the day of your scheduled service, you'll receive a text message letting you know your service tech is on the way. Once they arrive, they'll park their company vehicle where you can see them. And our techs will wear a company uniform, name badge, and any personal protective equipment required. Before entering your home, they will also put on shoe covers. We do this out of respect for you and your home. Next, we'll take a few minutes with you to see how the system has been performing for you and go over any questions you may have. Afterward, we'll move our attention to the thermostat and lower the temperature by a few degrees to make sure the air conditioner runs for our tests. And if your thermostat operates on batteries, we'll replace those as well. Next, the tech will go to where the furnace is located. They'll start by checking the condition of the filter and replacing it if a new one is available. They'll also record and compare some of the temperature readings from the return and supply air ducts. These temperature readings are essential and can help identify whether the air conditioner is performing as it should. We also check the condition of the refrigerant lines inside the home for any signs of condensation or leaks. If any are present, it could be a sign that the system is leaking refrigerant. Another thing that we do is clean out the drain line or condensate pump if one is present, and check the drain termination point. A clogged drain line could result in the air conditioner shutting off prematurely. Next, we'll move our attention to the evaporator coil, where we check its overall condition and look for any signs of corrosion or oil residue, and make sure it's draining correctly. Afterward, we remove the access panels and check the coil inside. We use a special cleaner on it as well. We do this to break up any bacteria and mold that may be on the coil and prevent any growth in the future. After our inspection, we'll add algae tablets to the pan to kill any algae growth in the pan or down the drain line. We also take the time to inspect the condition of the copper tubing. After our inspection, we'll reconnect and close up the evaporator coil. One of the last things we do is check the plenum for any air leaks and seal as necessary. With the indoor equipment checked, the tech will then move to the outside where the outdoor equipment is located. One of the first things they'll do is test the safety shutoff equipment by removing the disconnect. This should cut all power to the system. Next, they'll remove the service panel and inspect the wiring, capacitor, and contactor. We check for any pitting or carbon buildup. We also review and record several electrical readings, such as the amp draw of both the fan and compressor motors. We compare the readings to the manufacturer's specifications to make sure it's operating effectively. If anything is outside of range or is a cause for concern, we'll let you know of the proper fix. Next, they'll focus on the refrigerant lines and record and compare the temperatures and pressures of the refrigerant. If anything is found outside of the recommended levels, it could be the sign of something else going on with the refrigerant. With the system off, they'll take a moment to look at the overall condition of the system. We also check to see if the unit is level and that there isn't anything that can restrict the airflow for it. If any obstructions are found, we will remove them. Speaking of obstructions, you'd be surprised just how much junk and debris can get caught in the condenser coil. In fact, a dirty condenser coil can lead to a host of problems that can negatively affect your air conditioner's performance. This is why it's crucial to have your air conditioner serviced every year. To clean the coil, we'll first remove the fan and side panels if applicable. With the fan off, we'll be able to check its condition along with the fan blade and compressor motor. With the coil exposed, we'll rinse off any debris caught in it. Once all the debris is knocked away, we'll use a special cleaner to break up any kind of grime and protect the coil. Afterward, the unit is rinsed off again and reassembled. The last step is to put the cover back on and test the system one last time. Then we pack up all the tools and clean the area we were working in. A report will be written of our findings and any recommendations for repairs. Finally, we conclude with a review of everything that was done and any questions you may have. In total, a fantastic air conditioner tune-up will take around 2 to 2.5 hours to complete. For comparison, our basic air conditioner tune-up only takes about 45 minutes to complete. What are the next steps? I hope you see the value and attention to detail we provide with our fantastic maintenance plan air conditioner tune-up. If you live in Central Ohio and are in our service area and would like to sign up with one of our maintenance agreements, visit our website. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel to get updates every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.